frictional force is in that direction. Car is moving in that direction, frictional force is in that direction. The frictional force direction is this. Now when the applied force is in that direction, then what happen? The spring force, okay, that spring force direction is this, okay, means compression direction is this, means in that case when the car is moving in that direction, and the force is applied on that spring, okay, and the spring will be compressed. When the spring will be compressed, then the direction, the spring will be compressed, then the direction of a frictional force, the direction of the spring force is this. The direction of spring force and direction of a frictional force both are in the same directions, means in the presence of a frictions, when the spring is compressed, in that case the direction of a spring force and the direction of a frictional force both are in the same directions, means in the presence of a frictional force, when spring is compressed, the direction of spring force, when the spring is compressed, then direction of spring force is this. The direction of spring force and direction of frictional force is same, means both spring force and frictional force are acting in the same directions, means in that case whatever work is done, that work done is depend upon a spring force and that work done is depend upon a frictional force, okay. Then do you know that frictional force F mu, okay, or F, that is frictional force is nothing but mu mg. The frictional force is nothing but mu mg, or frictional force is nothing but mu into n. The frictional force is nothing but, that is frictional force Fr is nothing but mu into n. In that case normal reactant is in the upward direction and mg is in downward direction, therefore whatever the normal reactant, that normal reactant is equal to mg, therefore frictional force is equal to mu into mg. Now this is the frictional force, in that case this is the frictional force. Now in that case means there will be a two forces can be act, one is the, that is spring force and frictional force both are act in the same direction and frictional force is mu mg. Therefore by using work energy theorem, what is the work energy theorem? Tell me. By using work energy theorem means that is total work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Okay, that is total work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Now this is the equation number 1, that is total work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Now we have to see that is total work done, okay. Now total work done means in that case there will be two forces can be act, therefore work done by the frictional force plus work done by the spring force, work done by a frictional force plus work done by a spring force. In that case there will be two forces can be present and both forces are in the same direction, therefore we have to take a plus sign. If the two forces are in the opposite direction, then we have to take a minus. In that case, spring force and frictional force, both forces are in the same direction. Therefore, total work done is equal to work done by a frictional force and work done by a spring force. Then this is a variable force. Therefore, work done is equal to integration of, that is this is the frictional force. Okay, integration of F into dx plus integration of F into dx. In that case, this is the this is the frictional force and this is the spring force. Then do you know that frictional force, okay, that is frictional force is how much? Mu into mg, mu mg into dx plus, that is a spring force. Spring force is nothing but minus k into x into dx. Okay, therefore integration, in that case mu mg is constant, integration of dx plus, in that case minus k is constant, integration of x into dx. Therefore integration of dx, this integration differentiation is cancelled, only x. Therefore work done by a frictional force is mu mgx plus, this is the minus k into x, integration of x is x square by 2. Therefore total work done, is equal to, that is a work done by a frictional force is mu mgx, okay, and this is the minus, therefore minus k x square divided by 2, minus k x square divided by 2, minus k x square divided by 2. Okay, now minus k x square divided by 2. Now next, both are in the same direction, but this x is for a direction. Okay, this is for a direction. See here, no, this is okay. Now both are in the same direction, therefore we have to take, here is also total work done is also a plus sign. Okay, that is total work done, we have to take a plus sign. Here is a minus k, but we have to consider as a minus sign only for a direction. Minus sign is only for a direction, therefore we have to take, here is also plus, minus sign is only for a direction, minus sign is opposite to that of displacement. Therefore the work done, the total work done, therefore the total work done we have to take a only plus, or we have to put minus, there will be no problem. Okay, but this minus sign is only for a direction purpose, therefore k means this is only opposite in direction to that of x. Therefore the total work done is equal to mu mgx plus k x square divided by 2, k x square divided by 2. Okay, now this is the equation number 2. Now next, change in kinetic energy. Now change in kinetic energy is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Now final kinetic energy means when the car is collides on a spring, finally what happened, that car will be stopped, means in that case the final kinetic energy is 0 and minus initial kinetic energy is half mv square. Okay, if you have put here minus, there will be no problem. Okay, therefore here is we have to put a only minus. Therefore change in kinetic energy is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Therefore change in kinetic energy is minus half mv square. Now this is the equation number 3. Now substitute equation 2 and 3. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Okay, now this only this is for a kinetic energy. Okay, therefore we have to take this is also plus. Change in kinetic energy means final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Okay, now we have to put this is in equation number 1, that is total work done. Total work done is nothing but mu mg x, okay, minus k x square divided by 2. This is equal to half m v square minus half m v square. Now this minus half m v square, we have to convert this from this side to this side. What happen? Mu mg x, okay, minus k x square by 2, then minus into minus plus half m v square, which is equal to 0. Now this is x, therefore we have to take this is x as a x maximum. Okay, means maximum compression we have to find out, therefore whatever x is there we have to take a x maximum. Therefore mu mg x maximum, okay, minus k x square maximum divided by 2 plus half m v square, which is equal to a 0. Okay, now here is a x square, here is a x, therefore we have to take this term as a first, means minus k x square divided by 2, this x is a maximum, then this term plus mu mg x maximum plus half m v square, which is equal to 0. Now this is also equal to, okay, multiply throughout this by multiply above equation by minus 2 on both sides. Multiply this equation by minus 2. This minus 2, okay, this minus 2 and this minus, okay, become minus into minus plus, and this minus 2 and this 2 is cancelled. Okay, or this minus and this minus 2 is plus, this 2 and this 2 is cancelled, therefore this is a plus k maximum x square. Okay, this minus into this plus is minus, this 2 means 2 mu mg x. Okay, this minus into this plus is minus, this 2 cancel, m v square, which is equal to a 0. Now this equation is looking like as a quadratic equation. This equation is like quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. What is meant by quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, ax square plus bx square plus c is equal to 0. Therefore this equation is looking like as a quadratic equation. Therefore here a is equal to how much? A is equal to k. Ax square, here is a x, therefore a is equal to k. Here a is equal to k, and b is equal to, that is bx, means b is nothing but minus 2 mu mg. B is nothing but minus 2 mu mg, and c is equal to minus m v square, Therefore the solution of quadratic equation, the solution of quadratic equation, the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, therefore in that case x is nothing but x maximum. Okay, x maximum, therefore minus, okay, minus into b means this minus into this minus plus 2 mu mg plus or minus under root b is nothing but b square, means 4 mu square m square g square minus 4, a means k, c means mv square, this minus into this minus plus mv square divided by 2. A is nothing but k. This is nothing but, here is we have to take a 2 common, therefore 2 mu mg plus or minus, okay, 2 is common, okay, means under root 4 is common, means under root 4 is nothing but 2 mu square m square g square plus m v square divided by 2k. Now these two cancel, means we have to take a 2 as a common, therefore this divided by 2k, means these two cancel, plus or minus this divided by 2k, means these two cancel, means this is nothing but mu mg plus or minus under root of mu square m square g square plus m v square divided by k. Okay, then put down all that value. Mu, in that example what they can say that mu is 0.5, means this is a 0.5. M, mass of the car 1000, g 9.8, this is nothing but a nearly 10, plus or minus under root mu is nothing but how much, 0.5 square, okay, 25, 0.25, m square 10 raised to power of 3 square means 10 raised to power of 6, g square means that is 10 square is 100, okay, plus 1000 into 5 is 5 square is 25, speed of the car is that is 5, therefore 5 square is 25. K, spring constant, in previous example the spring constant is 6.25 into 10 to the power of 3. Now 0.5 into 10 is 5, means this is the 5000 plus or minus under root of 0.25 into 100, 0.25 into 100 means 25, okay, 25 into 10 to the power of 6 plus this is the 25,000 divided by 6.25 into 10 to the power of 3, okay, then from that this is the 10 to the power of 6, okay, means we have to add all that quantity, that is 5000 plus or minus under root of, this is the 25 6 zeros, 4 5 6 zeros, okay, plus 2 5 double zeros, okay, divided by 6.25 into 10 to the power of 3. When you can solve all that, then you got a maximum speed, okay, then you got a maximum velocity as that is 1.35 meter, means that is x maximum is equal to 5000 plus or minus, we have to add all that quantity, that is 0 0 5 2 0 0 2 5, this is 6.25 into 10 to the power of 3. When you have to solve all that, then x maximum is equal to 1.35 meters. When you have to solve all that content, okay, you got a maximum compression is 1.35 meter.